Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages. It doesn't really matter where you will open it. And now all we have to do is simply tap on the settings icon right here. As you can see, on the very first position we've got language and keyboard layout, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on select languages. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example Arabic. Just find the language you'd like to use. Find it and tap on the switcher on it. As you can see, now it is active, so we can go back. It is also immediately applied to our keyboard, so let's go back to the keyboard and let's check. And as you can see, we've got one difference. We've got the language icon, the language button, so now I can freely type in English. It is also notified on this icon. This is the name of the language we are currently using, and after tapping on it, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. And as you can see, now I'm typing Arabic. The same situation, just tap on it and now I'm typing English. So actually this is how to add the new language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because maybe you do not need two different languages applied. So just tap on the settings, go back to the language and keyboard layout, and here we've got the Arabic, so let's tap on select the languages and tap on the switcher near the language you'd like to remove. So in my case it will be Arabic. As you can see, it is not active anymore, so we can go back and check. And as you can see, this language icon simply disappeared, and from now on I can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.